Okay lang po. Okay lang po.
Ako ay si President Papago. 10 years in service na. Exerting. Kasalukuyan nagtutulog silang ng national title.
Next po. What is your position or office? Teacher. Okay. Why did you choose to work with the government? Next. What are the benefits of being a government employee?
Marami. May mga sa PhilHealth, maka-avail ng PhilHealth. Maraming benefits.
How long would you want to stay to work with the government?
Hanggang kaya.
Next po, if there's something that you would want to get or have from the government, like benefits, leave, health benefits, and etc. So, at what age would you want to retire and why?
65 years siguro pwede na nag-retire pa.
Any retirement plan po? Why have that plan?
Sa retirement na ako. Pwede siguro negosyo.
What would you want to do after retirement?
Bilis na lang ako. Magpahinga lang kung nagpapahinga, nagmini-question.
Last question. If you will be mad to choose, would you still want to work with the government? Why?
Para gusto ko magtrabaho sa muling dahil para sa pamilya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.